Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a mouth-watering recipe just for you. Now let's get ready to indulge in the flavours of our easy and tasty soy and honey glazed salmon parcels with tender stem broccoli. It's a delightful combination that will make your taste buds dance. So stay tuned for this quick and delicious recipe. Now first we're going to grab a small bowl, and to that we're going to add 1 clove of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of clear honey, the juice of a lime, and a tablespoonful of toasted sesame seeds. Now we're going to give that a good stir around, and then we're just going to set it to the side. Next, take a 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter piece of ginger, and we'll just cut that into matchsticks. Again, we'll pop that into a bowl and we'll just set it to the side. Now let's move on to the broccoli. We're going to take 250 grams of tender stem broccoli, and we're just going to trim the stems of it just to make it clean. Now we're going to take a baking tray, and to this we're going to add a large piece of tin foil, and we're going to spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil. And then to that we're going to add a 100 gram piece of salmon fillet, and we're going to put some of the ginger over the top. Then we're going to sprinkle the broccoli around it, and just spoon over some of the sauce. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Now we're going to fold over the edges of the foil, and we're going to seal it in the middle. Now we're over to our oven. So we have a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we cook that for about 10 minutes until the salmon is just cooked and still tender. If you prefer your salmon well done, just cook it for a little bit longer. Now once it's cooked to your liking, serve your delicious salmon on a bed of boiled rice topped with tender stem broccoli. And now let's not forget that luscious sauce drizzled all over the top. And there you have it folks, a mouth-watering dish of soy and honey glazed salmon parcels with tender stem broccoli. Perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Now stay tuned for more recipes, and again don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.